Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Holly back at with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing something a little different. So I've been seeing these tags for a while about the I tried following so and so's makeup tutorial or hair tutorial for a while now, and I really want to try one. So today it's gonna be my first one. So I'm gonna try the Jasmine Brown No Baby Hairs I Got You Sis video. And guys, so I have baby hairs, but you know, I keep them natural. They're, you know, just a little bit, but I definitely want to try this look to get, you know, fuller, more, you know, slayed edges. So I'm gonna give it a try. And guys, pray for me. I want to, you know, mess my little edges up. So guys, let's get started.
Back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on baby hairs.
Yes.
No baby hairs? No problem. I got you. I got you. So we all know baby hairs are like a booming thing now, and I mean they have been for a while, but there's some of us that just don't got baby hairs. You know what I'm saying? Like me, I was one person to have a full-grown adult hairs, trying to have baby hairs, but I just didn't have.
All right, guys. So
my hair.
I'm just gonna skip to the you know, baby edges part. Okay, so let's go. So
Redoing my baby hairs today because they've grown already a lot. And there's only a few tools you're gonna need. A little baby hair brush. I got this one off of Amazon. It's got a comb and a little brush. Some gel or edge control, whatever you use. I use the Eco Styler gel in the clear one. A little spray bottle full of water. And then there's one last thing that you're gonna need. Yep, you're gonna need a pair of hair scissors or any scissors. I prefer hair scissors because.
alright, so I have all that stuff now. Let's get started.
They're sharper. I don't know. Any pair of scissors would work. So you're gonna need some scissors today. I'm gonna stop before I poke my eye out. Okay, so this is the before. And mind you, I have done this before, but I'm just going to basically repeat the steps so you can see what I did. First, you're going to need your little spray bottle, any spray bottle. This one, I actually saw from Lisette. She has one of these cool ones, and I saw it at the store, and I was like, wait, that's what Lisette has. And then you're just going to want to spray the front of your head just a little bit so your little hairs are a little bit damp. I just want to massage it in so I can make sure the water don't just drip out on my face, because if so, it ruins this makeup. I'm probably going to cry. Okay, so the front of my hair is damp now, so you just want to get a comb. There's an actual rat tail comb right there, so I'm going to go ahead and use this regular comb. So you guys know you can use any size comb.
Okay.
Alright, so you're going to get the comb.
Let's start.
And basically, whichever way you want your baby hairs to go, you're just going to part like a little bit of your hair out.
No.
So you're just going to part this front part of your hair out, and as you can tell, mine's already short because I already did this, but I'm just showing you guys. So if your hair was really long, then you would probably part this just like that, and your hair will probably come down to here. Or if you just want to revamp and fix your baby hairs because there's not enough, this is what you want to do. And I have a little bit of baby hairs I like in the front, so I'm going to pull out a little bit of hair in the front right here.
Let me pause.
You don't want it like a huge chunk.
Let me pause and get myself situated with these edges. 'Cause I don't want to cut too much off. Okay, so that looks okay, about right. Okay. I'm so nervous. But I know when these edges are done, they're finna be slayed, so you know, I'm finna suck it up. That's enough. Okay, let's try. Start on this side. Okay. So I think that looks like enough to me. Just clips it back. Okay. So I can rock with this. Alright, that looks good to me.
Just want like a very thin part. You see how thin this is?
I see, sis.
Y'all see how thin this actually is? Yeah.
Hey, mine's
really
actually
thin.
more thinner.
And then you're going to want to stop it right here. You're not going to want to go all the way down to your ear. Unless you want to cut some little sideburns, which I always do, not going to lie. But I'm not going to do that right now. And then go ahead and get the other side. I like my baby hairs up here. And then down there. So just go ahead and pull out, part some hair out. Just like this. You're going to go ahead and want to pull your hair back out of the way.
I already did.
I don't even have a hair tie in here. What am I doing? I have this little rubber band. This ain't going to fit on my head. Okay, I'm back. Got a hair tie. Got my jumbo hair tie for this jumbo hair.
Sis.
So now that my hair is pulled back out of the way, we're going to get to the baby hair part. So say you have baby hairs, but yours are really long, kind of like mine right here. Then you can do this method and revamp them and whatnot.
First of all, this is not no baby hair. This is my name here. I'm gonna cut. Okay, but let's get back to it.
So now that you got this little frizz going on, you're gonna go ahead and wet it one more time, just so it's a little wet, because mine already dried. Or you just put a little bit of water in your hand, and then just run it through. It's so much easier. Okay, and this is where it gets interesting. So you're gonna get your comb, and then you're just gonna basically hold all of your little hair that you carved out right here, because you don't want to just chop it all. You want to just chop some parts. So basically just grab little parts of your hair and pull it back into your regular ponytail. Just like that. And now you see I have a really thin amount of hair in my hands. And then this right here is when you're going to get your scissors, the scary part. I know. And you're just going to want to pull it all the way in the front of your face. Not down this way, but front this way. And then you're going to get your scissors. And then I would say about right below your eyebrow. Don't cut your eyelashes, okay? And then any of your extra hair, I have this. But if you have longer hair, you're just going to go ahead and get your scissors. And
I was so
cut
nervous.
it right there. And you see, you don't really cut off like much hair. But it's enough. So now that you have this, you're going to do the same thing to this side. Pull back any of the hair. Just pull back a lot of it. And then go towards your nose and cut. Yeah, I know. You're crying, aren't you?
I'm
This
gonna
is
show
what
it
your
to
hair's
you.
gonna look like. You won't be like, oh heck no, oh heck no. But if you think about it, if you're a curly girl and then you just push this all back, it's gonna just stay inside your curl.
True.
If you don't like this idea, just don't do it, okay? Just warning you, don't do it, don't cut. Me, I cut. I did it. You can't stop.
See, luckily I am a brave soul because I just cut my dang hair. But like she said, it's not too much. And then, you know, honestly, if you're a curly girl, you're going to wear it back anyway with the curls. So it's going to blend. So let's start to lay these edges.
But now that it's all cut, I'm going to show you the after process. I'm going to go ahead and lay down these baby hairs so you can see the deal. Some water in my hands.
Look at this.
Wet the baby hairs.
When is I doing that?
Now I'm going to get my Eco Styler gel. And then I'm going to just get some on my finger. And then I just basically swoop it across my forehead like this. And the same to the other side. Just dip it and swoop it. 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 Okay, I need to stop. Okay, so after you do that, and then you're just gonna go ahead and get your little toothbrush, and I like to just
alright, pause.
straight line
Let
down.
me get it together. Let me get it together. Alright, so just straight down. Bring it straight down. Let's continue.
Like that. And then if you want to do swooped baby hairs,
I know I just
the comb part.
Okay.
And then I just get my baby hairs, brush it down, swoop it up.
Pause. Okay, she said down and swoop it up. So let's see. Down. Okay. Okay. And swoop it up. Up. Yes. Down. And swoop it up. Alright guys, so listen, like my edge has never been this late before, like, oh God. Down.
And scoop it. Oh. Mama.
Need a little more gel, so down. Alright guys, like for real, my edge has never been this look before. Look at that. Look at that. I am like so. Let's finish the other side.
And then on the side again, brush it down, hold it, swoop it up. And then the same thing to the next side. Brush it down,
It's too hard.
brush it down, swoop it up. And then after you've laid your hair, your edges, baby hairs down, then go ahead and let your ponytail out. Fluff your hair.
Alright, so I have a little extra hair right here that I want to trim off a little bit, so I'm just gonna trim it. I'm getting a little scissor happy. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, I don't know if I can do it. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, so I think I'm like done, and I think I like the results. Like I'm telling you guys, like usually. Alright, so guys, usually I'm telling you, I never really do any like swoops or anything on my edges. I kind of keep it simple. But like, sis, like, do you see these edges? Like, do you see the edges? I'm really feeling them. I never do like swoops or like. I keep it very simple on my edges, and like I really like it. So guys, this hair tutorial was definitely a success, you know. So I'm really feeling the edges. Let me zoom in for you guys. Zoom in. Alright, good. Let me finish the video though. Let me finish playing the video.
What you gotta do, and bam, you got baby hair. And there we go. That is how I got my baby hairs. I did my swooped baby hairs and not my wavy baby hairs like I usually do. But if y'all want a tutorial on my little wavy baby hairs, then let me know and I will get that to you ASAP. Okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't freak you out too much.
I enjoyed it.
My hair.
Alright guys, but this tutorial was definitely a success. You know, I'm really feeling the edges. Thank you, girl. Thank you, sis. But guys, yes, please, if you like this video, please like and comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos like this. I'm like, really, I can't stop looking at the edges. I'm really feeling it. Like, look at this, sis. Like, look at this. I'm really feeling it. Yes, anyway, like I said, guys, I really enjoyed this tutorial today. A bitch left with fucking slate edges. Like, for real. I can't believe it. But anyway, guys, please like this video, comment, and subscribe for more cool videos. Thank you. See ya.